Now I'm here with Trudi Jaye, who is co-founder of Retreatment Botanics, and this is the brand that she founded with Olivia Newton-John in
2019.
2019.
Yeah.
And obviously we lost Olivia recently. That must have been very hard for the team.
It's been, a very difficult time, of course, and a very sad time and huge loss, because she was such a beautiful person and just so wonderful to be around. But we do feel really inspired by her legacy, and so focused on continuing a lot of her amazing vision and values that she had and that we incorporated into this beautiful brand. Olivia, her vision, and also mine as well, was to have clean ingredients, but ones that really worked, that were would see a result in the skin straight away. And that was really important, because we didn't want just a clean range that did nothing. That was no point in that. No one wants that. And so it was years of development. And we wanted to be cruelty free and vegan, but also when we looked into the whole journey and we were developing and wanted the most ethical products that we could create, that we also looked into the issue of palm oil and how palm oils, their derivatives are in many products as a base, and it doesn't even say it on the bottle or on the ingredients list.
So most brands have got palm oil in some form or another.
In some form or another, just usually in emulsifiers or surfactants or ingredients like that, and it doesn't say it on the label. So it's very hard to develop without it, because that's just, they're in everything at the moment. But that's why we were really inspired to see if there was a way to do it without palm oil, and it took years of development. Did you know what you were embarking on? Yeah, no, I didn't at all. If I had realised, oh my goodness. But I had some beautiful people around me to help. We had worked with the Orangutan Alliance and Palm Oil Investigations and Orangutan Foundation, and some beautiful people that were really connected and helped us on our journey. And
you were the first premium luxury brand to not use any palm oil, was that right?
That's right, yeah, to be completely free, 100% free from derivatives and certified. So that was really important, because it's very hard to know often where it's hard to trace it back to source, because there's multiple sources often in those base ingredients. So we had the Orangutan Alliance come in and go through every single ingredient, painstakingly so, but in a good way.
Yes.
You just know that, and actually in the first round they found some.
Did they?
Yeah.
Wow.
So we had to go back to the drawing board and go again.
Was it in one of the ingredients
you'd used? It's so hidden. Oh. It's so hidden in everything. So it's really good to have them guiding us and have their certification. So we feel really, so happy we got there, and we achieved it. And not only a palm oil free product, but also that it's very effective and results driven, which was our main goal. Yeah.
So when it came to formulating and to create results driven skincare, was there anything that you discovered through this process that really surprised you in terms of the power of plants and what they can do? Absolutely.
And we were looking around the world for really potent, highly active ingredients that were also plant derived. And we started looking at the Aussie plants here. Yeah. And they're so amazing.
Kakadu plum.
We've got pepperberry, the Tasmanian pepperberry from the rainforest in Tasmania. We've just got incredible finger lime and desert lime and amazing ingredients. And, Kakadu plum is we all love now for being so incredibly rich in vitamin C, but it also has all the phytonutrients that accompany that vitamin C or ascorbic acid, so that it's much more intensified its effect on the skin. Amazing. So we love that it's
very potent.
Yeah, very potent.
Yeah, amazing.
So we wanted those actives in the products that would see that instant result and long-term result in the skin. So it was a long time of researching, but and we just love that it's from Australia too.
Yeah, I know. Well, Australia is such harsh conditions, right? So the plants have had to develop their own coping mechanisms.
Exactly, that's their defense against such harsh UV and intense climate. And so over thousands of years, they store really potent levels of phytonutrient in the product.
And what's your, ride or die absolute favourite product?
Oh,
I know that's a
they're
hard
all
one.
Babies.
I know, all your many little babies.
No, they're all
We all have a favourite child secretly, don't we? No, I don't. Don't tell my children.
No. I do love Restore Serum. I mean, I love all of them for different reasons.
We have it here.
That's Restore Serum.
Oh,
there
fancy
it is.
that.
Yeah, fancy that.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
I love our serum. I'm a serums girl.
There we go.
It's beautiful. It's just an
it's
intense,
an oil and
it's 14 highly concentrated nutrient plant oils in there, so they really restore that life force back into the skin immediately. It soaks right in. You've got beautiful things like squalane and baruti fruit and sea buckthorn and macadamia from the local area around Environ, up where our brand first was born up there. So yeah, we've used it, and we've also got sandalwood seed and rosella, so some beautiful actives, but it really plumps the skin.
And it's the essential oils are so beautiful in the range. Like, it really makes you feel like you're in the spa, because the brand was born in the spa.
Yeah, we were originally from Gaia, so, and that was the products were developed for the incredible
which is a
facial
spa
treatments.
that Olivia Newton-John was owner of.
Yes, we wanted a way for the guests to be able to bring that experience back again and continue seeing those results every day in their skin.
I'm curious as to how it all began with Olivia, like where you were working in the US, and you have many different skills and talents, so wellness counsellor, reflexologist, master facialist, skin expert.
And then I've also got a background in marketing too, which is,
that's right.
Which is, I love that too.
so many hats. So how did it come that you met Olivia and came up with the brand, and how did all that happen?
It all came together. A friend of mine was introduced to the beautiful team at Gaia and Olivia, and we wanted to create this amazing range. Just moved back, after being in New York for 11 years. So big transition, and then straight into this project, and have been going every day ever since.
I love that.
So it was beautiful working with Olivia. We worked together to create the formulas and to really create something that would be so effective, and also bring people joy. And like you're saying, with the essential oils being introduced, and we've really liked to take you on a sensory journey. So to have that,
totally does.
Have that kind of mind, body, spirit effect. So obviously it's results driven, but there's something about coming to a place of mindfulness and a place reconnecting with yourself. I think is so important. And when you have those few moments, it's just a few moments that you might be in the bathroom, a moment of peace, and those essential oils will just straight away take you to that center and that peaceful place. So we've also chosen ones that are gentle for the skin, because we didn't want anything, we just wanted something that was gentle and good for sensitivity, but also uplifting. So like sandalwood, the Australian sandalwood is so grounding, and it helps to relieve feelings of anxiety, but it also has that amazing effect of being an age-defying ingredient for your skin.
I love sandalwood, it's so beautiful. Do you have any tips and tricks in terms of how to really get that self-care moment to yourself in the bathroom when you are alone?
But I think it's just taking some deep breaths and centering yourself, because there's so much noise and busyness around us all the time. You're in the bathroom, some deep breaths, come back into the earth, feel your feet on the ground. Bare feet's always really nice as well, just to center yourself. Some deep breaths, you can massage your skin. But I think just coming back and resetting is
so important.
Breath is everything. Brings that life force back into your body.
I've got to remember that. I'll have to put a sticky note on my mirror saying breathe.
Breathe. So true.
Well, thank you so much, Trudi. That was great.
Thank you.
So good to hear.
So good to
Genesis
be
of the brand.